Welcome back to the channel. My name is JesseMcDesign and today we're going to be making some shadow boxes for these skateboards. Let's get started. So there you have it. I'm super happy with how these came out. These little brass corner pieces were like a last minute addition. I wanted to do them from the beginning, but it took me a while to find exactly what I was looking for. I wanted the same type of filigree that's going on with the Heartogram logo here, you know, just to match that whole thing and give it a whole vibe that really brings it all together. Other than that taking a little long to find and get here, the whole thing came together exactly how I wanted. It's a super simple project, you know, cut every angle on a 45 and put it together. I wouldn't recommend that plastic jig I used at the beginning. There's a lot of wiggle room, but it was super cheap. I kind of figured it wasn't the best. But even a couple degrees makes your corners not meet up quite perfect. So these little brass pieces also hide that little bit of imperfection. But I also made this shadow box about a week before I did those, so those came out a little bit better than this. And again, it looks, I mean, I couldn't really ask for much more. And this is pretty much the same thing. I just measured it out to fit the sound panels, which are a foot by foot, so it was 2 foot by 3 foot. And this whole custom S logo is something you can find out how I did on my Instagram. I posted up a couple of different pictures and videos showing how I did that. That was just like a side project. I didn't really make a video to get everything I did there. But if you like what you saw, please hit the thumbs up, it helps. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe. I'm always over here doing some kind of art, making something, you know, I skateboard every once in a while, do some stuff like that. But until then, see you on the next one.